Usman Tariq, a new brighter star, a right arm off spinner, and a potential deadly weapon that could prove out to be like that in Pakistan versus India on 15 February, is now facing a controversy that has been basically ignited by India towards ICC, particular in this regard. Do you think, or what? Let's unpack that. Does Usman Tariq fulfill the demands or the regulations of ICC under a 15-degree rule? What is this controversy? What is he currently facing? And what are going to be the upcoming consequences or circumstances till 15th of February 2026, where a bigger match is waiting for you, Pakistan versus India? The main point of contention between Usman Tariq and ICC or Indians controversy is because of his bowling action, that is pause and sling. And this pause and sling is the main actually concern that actually uprooted the chucking controversy or the chucking allegations on Usman Tariq. In this regard, the cricket experts has to say that the moment Usman Tariq went up to or goes up to ball a particular batsman, he take a little pause near the wickets, near the offside wickets, and then judges the batter from his feet, from his bat, and then slows his pace, controls his pace, and then he is able to judge the batter better, and then he is able to make his bowling more effective and more disastrous for what that matter for the batter. And these are the reasons that have tensed or that have upsetted the Indian cricketers, Indian players, because they have not faced Usman Tariq yet. He is a shining star and he is well trained over the Sri Lankan tracks, which are actually spin friendly, controlling the pace of the ball and judging the batter within 2 or 3 seconds or 1 second pause that he takes on the offside wicket. These are the reasons that have worried the Indian players and Indian cricketers more particularly, and led them to ask or to beg ICC to make a controversy against Usman Tariq and take him out for the upcoming T20 match that is going to be between Pakistan and India on 15th of February 2026. What do you think about this? Do tell us, and how much you are waiting for this beautiful biggest match, Pakistan versus India, that is always dealt as a rivalry between Pakistan and India. We are eager to hear that in the comment section. Thank you.